What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been able to gather a lot of XRP in maybe the last few months. And I've been using a certain strategy to dollar cost average into this play. And I think this is the best way that you can gain more. And I've been supplementing this with using Margex. I've been supplementing this with being able to use other people's money to make me a little bit more money or make me more XRP in the future. And I've been consistently doing it, being able to gain thousands upon thousands of XRP. And I've been using this indicator, again, while it was something similar to it before this officially launched, to now having this as a true indicator, it's just been night and day. It's been absolutely amazing to be able to average into the position and finding short-term positions, being able to find when to dollar cost average into a position, as well as being able to profit from that dollar cost average into it while using other people's money to do so. So it's maybe a little bit more of a complicated strategy, but using this indicator, this new indicator, HG Algo, has been absolutely phenomenal. So I want to go through that and talk about what I've been doing and how I've been doing it, and what's the best way to go about it. Now, I think you guys can be able to develop your own strategy within there if you're looking to dollar cost average in, but let's take some time to talk about it. Guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I will provide links for Margex as well as HG Algo down below if you want to check it out for yourself, if you want to get started for this month, next month, or whatever, however long you really want to do it, you can check it out for that long. But definitely give those links a look. But if we look at XRP right now, it's currently standing at 55 or 56 cents. And the reason why I'm going through XRP is because this is one of those plays that I did effectively average into and consistently average into because I wanted to buy at the best times. I could have spent a lot more money and buying way less XRP if I didn't utilize something like this. Anyways, XRP is standing at about 56 cents. We're seeing it at a $30.5 billion market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. So that's standard where it does stand. Now, we've seen this, if we look at all history, in the more recent times, we've seen this grow, up to $2. And if we look at really recently, within the last year or so, we saw this get all the way up to 83 cents. If I'm buying at 83 cents, that means my cost basis would be 83 cents, meaning that it's not the best time to invest into, and I would be down heavily. Well, I didn't buy at those levels. I ended up buying at a lot of the low levels. Some of them, maybe I bought a little bit higher than where it was, but definitely lower than the highest point that it has been to. But the point is that you're seeing levels that you don't want to purchase at, but you also don't want to miss out on the opportunity. Well, dollar cost averaging is the way to go. Whether you're dollar cost averaging up or dollar cost averaging down, either way, you're finding the right opportunity, the right time to purchase that position. And the best way that I did that, as you can see here, I have 21,397 XRP, and I've been eating away at that negative performance that I had from before. And it's been steadily increasing. And as it does get up to a level of 57, 58, 59, 60 cents, I end up becoming, profitable in that and seeing a lot more. And again, I wanted the dollar cost average up. So I'm averaging at the right times as it is going up because it's been consistently moving on the upside. And some people have been saying it's not the right time. You look at the trend and it just doesn't make sense. And I'll go into that as I go into, maybe Margex in a little bit. Let me go ahead and load XRP in Margex really quick. I'll just type it in, XRP, and it'll come up, and I'll bring that up later. But again, I have 21,397 XRP here, and not all of that was gained just from me just spending money. It could have been gained from also Margex as well. So anyways, this is the indicator that I'm using, right? So let me bring it up. Actually, I don't have it up. I thought I already had it up. Let me see where it is. Here it is. This is the indicator that I am using, the HG Algo indicator. And I will go into the detail of that, of the different things that you want to see within it as you go into TradingView. You can go and start now, and it does have a welcome video and a full instructional video, from Tyler and the HG Access team. And it's absolutely phenomenal. It's something that I've been using for a while. Always try and recognize bullish momentum signals or finding different places to dollar cost average. But I've been doing it manually by using RSI and things like that. And it's like, if you have everything in one place, it makes things so much easier to dollar cost average into a play. So definitely go and check that out. If you wanted to know the prices, here are the prices. Right now, there's a discount. I believe it's 20% discount within it. And you guys can go and check it out for just 1 month. If you want to, you can check it out and have it quarterly or have it for a year, whatever you feel is going to be good for you. But let's explain exactly what it is. Let's go through that. If you go into TradingView, right, if you decided to do all of that, sign up, and then you go over to indicators, you'll see it under invite only scripts. It'll be HG Algo, and you'll be able to click on that and get all the different information. Now, once you click on that, it'll give you some signals. It'll come up with a bullish momentum signal, right? You'll see these bullish or bearish momentum signals. If you look at it more in the long term, the short term, whatever, you'll see that. And you'll have the right time to whenever things are starting to gain any type of momentum, whether it's in Bitcoin or XRP or whatever, you can see that while this did have a little bit of bearish momentum, you're now seeing majority bullish momentum that has happened. The overall trend has been up. And this is why a lot of people may get concerned about investing into XRP, is because it's been consistently, increasing here. If you look at the floor, right, I put something over here on Margex. If you look at this floor for where this has gone, it's been consistently increasing and creating, ascending levels of support, meaning that people can't really find the best time. They're waiting for it to fall, kind of like what has happened over here. They're waiting for that decrease, but you don't see that. It's consistently increasing. And this is the time where you want a dollar cost average up, because it's looking like an ETF. Right? And things that are looking like an ETF, you want to be a part of those at the best times you could possibly, get into. So if you bring up that algorithm, or you bring up the indicator, it's going to tell you when the most bullish momentum comes with it. Now you can change that to make it look a little bit more appealing for yourself. Maybe you wanted to change it just to be concise and show, BM, or if it has bullish momentum in the green, bullish momentum in the red, or bearish momentum in the red. You're seeing that you have the symbol that you can have. You can have a bear versus a bull symbol to show you exactly what is happening there within it. Or what you could do is what I like to use, which instead of just using the momentum signal, instead of just using this, I like to know when I can dollar cost average into it. And it's going to say whether it's your DCS plus DCA plus or DCA minus, to give you that breakdown as to like when you believe it's the greatest time and the best time to dollar cost average in. And again, it's going to show you real time that data. Now, as you start to zoom in, it's going to look, more like a zoomed in view, something that's happening more real time than something that's happened here, which you obviously know has happened in the past. So you can see these different pieces here, these different points to where you can dollar cost average into the play. And it's been helping me out tremendously, because I've always used something like this, mainly focusing on the RSI to understand the momentum of it, to understand when's the best time to invest at that point, to find the prices that it's going to come back to, and using so many different indicators to get there. This is just one indicator to really get there, which is absolutely phenomenal for them to bring this here. So again, I've been using this. And how have I been using it? Right? I haven't only been using it in the long term, I've also been using it in the short term. So what I would do is come over to TradingView. Right now, it doesn't have a connection between Margex and the HG Algo indicator. So hopefully there can be something that's there eventually, and that would be phenomenal, because I use it in Margex all the time. So I want to know when the most bullish momentum is, or when the best time to dollar cost average in is. And what I'll do is I'll partner it up with Margex, and I'll get into a certain play. I'll get into a play here at a 5x or 10x leverage. And then if I'm getting in at a 5x or 10x leverage, I now can profit from that by using somebody else's money. So I'm basically taking this indicator, going, okay, this is the right time to get in. I'll take $100 and then I'll 5x leverage that play to make sure that I can gain something in the short term, as well as hold something for the long term. So when it does end up doubling in price, or it does end up just seeing 3 cents, 4 cents worth of an increase, whatever, I can now take whatever I've gained and throw that to the side over here. And I can put that in my Coinbase account and send it over to Coinbase, which I have been sending to Coinbase consistently. That's why I'm up to 21,300 plus XRP. And I will consistently gain more because I'm invested in the XRP into three separate plays here and utilize my XRP in that way. So I've been happy with the performance of this for the past maybe month or so, but then obviously I was trying to use the best case scenario beforehand, and it was way more complicated, way too many signals and different things that you're looking for in order to find the bullish momentum, in order to find the right spot to dollar cost average. If this can make it clean by bringing all that together and putting it in one separate alert, absolutely fantastic. So guys, go ahead and check that out. If you want to check out the video, the full tutorial of HG Algo, feel free to check that out. The link will be down below where you guys can sign up and give it a look. But it has been phenomenal for me, and I hope it could be just as good for you. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.